Hello, how are you? And in this video we're gonna explain reception room. What do we mean by reception room? Reception room or receiving room, when you receive your people inside your room. So we mean غرفة بيشوازية استقبال كرن. Okay, so let's just imagine that what we have in reception room. When you come to any reception room in any house of your houses, so the first thing that will come to your brain, okay, or the first thing that you will remember is the sofa. Of course, when the guests come to your house or to your room, of course they're gonna sit down in the sofa. So the sofa is something very important in receiving or reception room. So another thing that we have in reception room is the table. Okay, so when you have a people in your reception room, you're going to need a table so you can put a cup or anything that you're going to give it for them on the table. Okay, so it's something very important, the table, that means. The third thing that's very important to have in your reception room is a fan. It's something very important to have in your reception room. I mean by fan anku panka, okay, or mirwaha. So it's something you will need. If the weather is very hot, of course you're gonna need a fan. So it's very important to have in your reception room. The fourth thing that you should or you must have in your reception room is a carpet. Okay, so what do we mean by carpet? Carpet, it's a mahfire. So we must to have a carpet in our room, especially if the weather is cold. So we need it. It's something we should to have it. So the last thing that we can imagine or we can think or we thinking of, the last thing maybe we have in our reception room, it's a television. A television, it's not something very important, but it's something you must to have so you can get a good time with your friends in reception room. Okay, so just to not feeling by boring, so just to have a good time with them, of course you're gonna need a television. That means تلفاز or تلفزيوني. So that was today's lesson, and I hope that you're gonna find a benefit in it. And goodbye.